Alright, the passenger door is stuck closed, and I've tried messing with the latch. Can't get it open. So I'm going to try taking the hinges loose and see if it gives us a little more room to wiggle before we try just taking the hinges off and seeing if we can get the door off that way. Well, that's more movement than it's had, but I don't think it's going to do it. Let's see. I may end up regretting this. I'm almost definitely going to end up regretting this.
What about the little jack stand? Will they raise up enough to hold it?
Maybe. You want to sit that down and go get one? Here, I'll... Just one's fine for now.
Okay.
You want to hold that up? I want to give everyone a little safety tip here.
We'll put it. Oh, there.
Camera.
Ah!
Alright, everyone. Jack stands. A lot of them, most of them probably, every one I've ever had, gonna have this little indent right here. You're supposed to knock that in so that this can't come out. Just a little tip for you. Hand me a screwdriver. Won't come out anymore. If you want to just try to keep it steady on that side. Man.
So... This says the cover on it, so we can't really see.
Can you roll the window down?
This was very good.
Hey, it works. The lock actually works.
Ah.
The interior handle works. Hey.
So the window works, interior handle. Oh,
That one works too.
the baby window.
Unfortunately, the door in general is just roached. However, the door jamb is actually in really, really good shape.
So if we took this off, could we beat the dents out?
To an extent, yes. There's also bracing in here, so it just depends on whether or not the bracing is damaged.
Hey, make sure. BB blaster that fell in. So a new view.
Tasty. Hang on. So believe it or not, even as bad as these seats are, they're actually worth some money. I'm not going to reuse these. There's a lot of usable parts, but they're going to need to rebuild. I'm just going to get a set of aftermarket seats to go in it. But someone could use these. Ooh, man.
Nice.
Where this side stayed closed up, it is a lot more solid over here.
Not the camera.
Yeah.
It almost took a tumble.
I'm going to stop sitting it down. Alright. This side's actually pretty solid. We've got some rot right up there. And right over here at the edge. But for the most part, it's actually solid.
There's leaves.
This is the... I think this is to control the vent over here, on and off, for your heat.
Kind of.
One sun visor's still kind of intact.
Yeah, it's not in terrible shape. On this side that I can see.
Got our little moss farm growing over here.
Yep.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning it out here, but you'll point up under the dash here. I just noticed this actually has a clutch pedal, so apparently this was a factory manual. That's not what's going back in it, it's going to be an auto. But, you know, just something interesting I noticed. So, gonna get loud.
is gone. But a lot less glass shards. Chunks of who knows what. Nice and cleanish. So we are racing a pop-up thunderstorm, it looks like, or sounds like. So we are going to rush to get all the stuff inside. We're not going to bother tarping the inside of this because we're going to put the pressure washer to it. And this should be protected.
Mason jars on dusty shelves and to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.